What is up, you guys, and welcome back to another video. So if you're new here, this is my Coolster 150 ATV. This is a GY6 150cc motor in it. It's the motor that comes in all these. So anyway, if you didn't catch the last episode, we are not getting spark. I replaced the coil right there, and still no luck. We have no spark. Therefore, it's not starting. We're getting power and everything. We're getting gas, brand new carburetor, everything's good on it, but no spark. So today we are gonna be taking this cover right here off, right there, and we're gonna be replacing the stator and the little pickup sensor and everything in there. But to do that, we have to take the flywheel off of it. So we got a flywheel puller and everything. So today we're gonna be pulling that side cover off. Gonna be pulling the flywheel off. Taking the stator out, and yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've never done anything like this before, so I hope it goes well. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. What's up, you guys? So it's been a long time filming just this one episode. This flywheel right here took a lot of time to get off. It was stuck on there pretty good, so don't mind those 2 volts. I already torqued the flywheel back down right here. Had to torque it back down to 30 foot-pounds. So I got that torqued down. I replaced the stator behind it while I had it off. That was the whole reason I took it off, was to replace the stator. So replaced the stator going in behind there, and flywheel's back on. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that fan thingy back on here, and then put the cover back on, and then we should be good to go to try and start it. I believe this right here is why we didn't have spark, this little sensor thingy. So that's brand new too. So we're gonna put it all back together, and hopefully it'll start. Alright, so here we go. Have the stator replaced, and everything. It should run. It's got brand new electrical, everything other than the regulator, but that does not affect it starting. So, let's see how this goes. Okay, you guys, so I've been trying to start it and it just will not start. So I don't know what I'm gonna do from here. I'm gonna have to figure something out. I mean, I really have no clue. I've replaced everything. I've redone all the electrical, and you know, everything's new except the regulator on it, so that shouldn't be an issue. That's just the charging system, you know. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Maybe we'll figure something out here soon. And, yeah. But for now, stay tuned to the next video. And, remember to always like, comment, subscribe. And, I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Later.